Now we are going to move on. I'm going to be teaching a song, a special piece composed by the late Dr. Alpert Mhlanga. And the piece I'm going to teach is one of his compositions called Maimbo. Now these are the notes that are played for the piece Maimbo. You start on your left with your left hand and go C and then E, so, and then right hand G. So you go. And the rhythm goes again. So left, left, right. After that you go D on your left, D on your right, C on your left, C on your right. One more time. C, E, G, and then D, D, C, C. And the rhythm is which is so the baritone will play that throughout the song until we get to the call and response part, where the piccolo is going to go, and then the baritone will respond with D, D, C, C. Just that. D on your left, D on your right, C on your left, C on your right. And the rhythm is, so piccolo will go, and then right, and then the piccolo will go back to the beginning of the song, increase the tempo, and then the baritone will also come in with a faster tempo. Until we get to the ending, the piccolo will play that cue 4 times, and then the baritone will also end on C and C. So I'm going to play the baritone part again 4 times, plus the ending. And that's the end. Thank you for watching this episode. Please click on the link to our website, or you can watch some of our other videos here. If you enjoyed the videos, please like and subscribe. This is going to help us to create more awareness and to share skills.